Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm experimenting with making ghosts. I've seen so many ghosts on my feed, probably because we're entering fall, and I really wanted to play with how to make them. But it took a while for my Sculpey Primo in white to arrive. First, I flattened my clay out into the number 6 setting on my pasta machine. I wanted the clay to be thin, but not so thin that it would rip when I tried to shape it. Then I got a circular cutter. This was about 2.75 inches in diameter. I then traced the shape onto the clay. Next, I got a flower silicone mold. I wanted to have these folds onto my clay, and I thought this might be a good way to mark out where to put the folds. I also got my dotting tool and went around the perimeter to get a scalloped look. I used a tissue blade to lift my clay up. Next, I assembled where to place the ghost. I got a metal circular cutter and a marble. I placed the marble on top of the cutter. Then I placed the clay on top of the marble. I carefully began fiddling with the clay, placing folds as how a ghost sheet would look like. Then I got the dotting tool again to place the eyes in the mouth. This goes into the oven for baking. Once baked, I got a tool to remove the marble from inside of the baked ghost. Next, I got my nail tool to place holes on the eyes and mouth. You could also use an X-Acto blade to clean these parts up. I was thinking to stop with these, but I remembered seeing a maker place floral designs on their ghosts, and so I wanted to do that as well. I had some temporary tattoos with floral designs. I cut them out and placed them around the ghost bodies. Finally, I sealed them with some Sculpey satin glaze. This is how my experiment turned out. I will continue playing with this because I still might be able to come up with an easier way of making these ghosts. Thank you for all those who keep on showing up to see me play with clay. I love experimenting even though at times the results aren't as perfect as I want them to be. Have a crafty weekend, everyone. Bye!